Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you how to create line graphs in Excel. For that, simply open Microsoft Excel on your PC or any device you are using. Once you open the MS Excel, on the first option you'll be able to see blank workbook. Click on that and you will be taken to the official page of Microsoft Excel where your spreadsheet must be look like this. If you already have an spreadsheet here and on the bottom of the screen you'll be able to see next to sheet 1 the plus icon. Click on that and you can open the new sheet. So here let me type a random variables here so that we can make a line graph in MS Excel. On this first row let me type in time, the independent variable that is on minutes. If this exceeds, then you can simply click on here. Let's close this first. You can expand this using this arrow like button. And on this B column, you can insert the dependent variable that is, let me type in distance, that is in centimeter. And by one, let me insert the data here. On the distance, the dependent variable. Also, let me enter the data. This is just to show you how to create a line graph. So once I have entered the variables here, we need to just highlight the rows and columns where we have entered the data. If you select the other blank column or rows, then that might mess up with your line graph. So once you have highlighted that, on the home tab, you'll be easily see the insert button. Click on that and the section will be appeared where you will be able to see the charts. Click on charts and what type of chart you want to make. You need to select here. So you need to select insert scatter XY or bubble chart for now. Click on that and now you can easily select the scattered line graphs here. So for now I am selecting scatter with straight lines and marker. So click on that and now here you'll be able to see that the line graph has already been inserted on MS Excel. Here is the chart style. You can simply click on any one you'd like to. And you can also expand the chart areas using this arrows like icon. Here is the plus button also. You can add the chart elements here. Axis titles. If you want to add the axis title, click on axis title. And here on the chart, you can click on axis title and you can edit this also. Backspace that and right here time on the x-axis that shows the independent variable. And on the same side, on the y-axis, the dependent variable, you can just select this, what you have written here. Backspace that and right here distance on centimeter. So in this way, we can easily add the axis title also. So here is it guys. I hope this video was useful for you. If this video was useful for you, then don't forget to hit the like button. Consider subscribing our channel. Hit the notification bell to get the further uploads on our channel. So thank you.